In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a custom WordPress theme using ChatGPT. To begin, open ChatGPT and prepare a clear, detailed prompt. This is the most important part of the process because the quality of the result depends heavily on how specific your request is. In this example, the goal is to have ChatGPT act like an expert WordPress theme developer and generate a fully custom theme from scratch. In your prompt, explain exactly what you want. Ask for a responsive, SEO-friendly, and performance-optimized WordPress theme built using PHP, HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and WordPress best practices. You should also request all of the necessary theme files, including style.css, functions.php, index.php, header.php, footer.php, single, page.php, archive, PHP, sidebar.php, comments, PHP 404, PHP search.php, front page, PHP, screenshot, and any template parts needed to complete the theme structure. It's also helpful to mention the features you expect the theme to include. For example, ask for custom menus, widget areas, customizer settings, featured image support, Gutenberg compatibility, accessibility improvements, schema markup, and clean, well-commented code. You should also make it clear that the theme needs to be mobile-friendly, secure, lightweight, and compatible with the latest version of WordPress. The reason this prompt works well is that it gives ChatGPT both the technical requirements and the expected standards. Instead of asking for a generic theme, you're defining the structure, performance goals, and modern WordPress features you want included. That makes the output much more useful and saves time later. Once your prompt is ready, take a moment to review it before submitting. Make sure everything is written clearly and that all the required files and features are listed. A well-written prompt helps reduce missing pieces and gives you a stronger starting point for your custom theme. After that, simply click Submit. ChatGPT will begin generating the requested theme content based on your instructions. Depending on the complexity of the prompt, this may take a moment. When the response appears, you'll typically receive code, file structures, and implementation details that can be used as the foundation of your WordPress theme. And that's the core setup process. The key takeaway here is that creating a strong prompt is what drives a strong result. If you're aiming for a custom WordPress theme that looks professional and follows best practices, being detailed from the start makes all the difference.